All right, we've got something you don't see on an ordinary grill very often, sausage and biscuits. John, aren't you worried about those sausages catching on fire?
No, not with the Holland Grill system of guaranteed no flare-up. No matter what you put on there, you don't have to worry about the grill ever catching fire on you.
And the biscuits, how does that work? You just put them right on there, no pan or anything?
Put them straight on the cooking grid. With the way we cook, with the indirect heat, you don't have to worry about the fire hitting the biscuits and burning them. Just letting them cook.
Now that's something different and unique from all the ordinary gas grills out there. And I bet if you go to Holland Grill demos anywhere, you're going to see somebody cooking sausage and biscuits.
Guaranteed to see it every demo.
Can you imagine a pound of sausage on an ordinary turn and burn grill? You'd have the garden hose out, wouldn't you?
And the fire department there.
There you go. Oh wow, those biscuits look nice and golden brown. You'll see you put some more sausage and there's the finished product. Just a remarkable, unique feature of those Holland Grills. Crazy, you can do it all. I saw you cooking donuts earlier. Can you cook donuts on a Holland Grill?
You can warm them up.
Oh, and there they are, finished product. Sausage and biscuits on the Holland Grill. See those grill marks on there? That's incredible, and man, they are delicious, and I'm going to eat them, or at least start right now.